New A-level biology students always make these same mistakes. And the thing is, they always make them in the very first weeks of the course. Now, you don't want to waste those first weeks. If you didn't know already, the beginning matters more than you might realize. I see students fall into the same traps every single year. And it's not because you're not smart enough, it's because no one really shows you how to properly handle A-level biology from the beginning. Believe it or not, those first weeks will set the tone for the whole course, whether you feel in control or constantly behind, whether you walk into class feeling confident or sit there praying that you don't get picked on. So what are these mistakes that are holding students back? And remember to save this so you can watch back later on and follow along for more A-level biology tips. The first is always students taking it too lightly. Maybe they found it easy at GCSE, maybe they just think they can switch it on later. But A-level biology doesn't work like that. The pace is fast and the content is very heavy. Every topic also stacks on top of the last. So if you miss the foundations, the cracks are only going to get bigger. And then by the time you realize, it's going to feel impossible to catch up. The second is just relying on memory instead of actually understanding it. Biology is packed with key terms, yes, but memorizing them alone is not enough. If you can't connect ideas, apply them in the right context, and see the bigger picture, your answers are only going to stay surface level, and surface level doesn't get you an A star. And the third thing is staying silent when you are stuck. Don't assume the teacher will notice. Don't hope it's going to make sense later. If you're stuck, say it. If you need help, ask for it. Biology builds on previous topics. And if you're carrying gaps moving forward, they're going to multiply until you feel completely lost. Truthfully, those first weeks will define your whole year. You need to take it seriously from the start. Focus on understanding, not just memorizing. And if you're not sure, ask for help. If you can do that, you'll stay on top of things. You'll walk into class feeling confident and ready instead of panicking, and you'll set yourself up for the grade that you want.